You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.